I am your host, Eric. Today we're going to be talking a lot about some very active weather. I'm going to be showing you little bits and pieces and some graphics on the computer as well. Looks like I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Okay, sorry about that. I'm gonna put that on vibrate so that is not an interruption. Oh man. Okay, that was just letting me know that I was doing my video, my live video. Sorry about that interruption. Okay, back to what I was just saying. We're going to be talking about some severe weather and some wintry mix. So it looks like we're going to be seeing rain, showers, and thunderstorms, and the possibility of severe weather. I have it all right here for you. So please make sure that you stay tuned for live coverage, and once that the storm system gets closer, I will be keeping you up to date and I will be doing live coverage. I did look over the computer models. The weather activity does look very, very active. We are going to get rain with this. There's going to be a warm front that's going to warm us up, warm up the temperatures somewhat. And also we're going to have a cold front on top of that. So just letting you know some of the changes that are ahead. But look forward to some wild weather that will be headed in our direction. But now I am going to turn you over and show you what we've got going on right now with the computer. I have to see if I can even change this over. Just a moment. Okay, and as you can see, right now for the severe weather status is a marginal risk that does extend all the way into southeast Michigan, all the way to western Michigan. Right now, that is the status right now. I'll kind of keep you posted on that as well. So I'm going to look up some other stuff and show you what else is coming our way. So stay tuned for that, and I will be back in just a moment. Let me see if I can bring that up right now for you. Give me a moment. I have to look it up and see if I can find it, and then I can show you what's going on. Let's see. I have to go to. I have to find it here. Just a second. Okay, so hold on just a moment here. There's a lot of interruptions going on today. So let's see if we can kind of focus in on this. No, I have to switch the models here to not that. Hold on, there's a whole bunch of different things on here, and I'm looking for the correct one. And here we are. All right, now I can show you what's going to happen here. Just a second. I have to move the camera around here. Sorry about my hairdo. I have to fix it. All right, I'm going to show you. Okay, we don't have anything specifically going on today. The weather is going to be rather quiet. Actually, it's actually very nice outside, sunny skies today. We'll talk about temperatures and what we can expect for the next 7 days to come. So as we go into time, I'm gonna go right through this so you guys can see what's gonna be going on. So this is Monday. I gotta get that little thing off of there. Okay, we got it. All right, and as we go into time here, this is Monday, so nothing's going on. The weather's going to be perfect. It's going to be nice outside. So we're going to go ahead and roll through this. And things are still quiet. Still, let's see. Trying to get to the days where it's going to be active. Just a moment. And now we're into Tuesday. That's when the precipitation is going to start, and we have a warm front that's also going to be followed with that. That warm front is going to warm us up somewhat. So we're going to have some rain that's going to be moving in. That's going to be moved in. It's going to get quite active, so stay tuned. I'm going to be watching that activity all day long today, and I'll keep you posted on that, so stay tuned for that. All right. And as we go throughout the day on Tuesday, things are going to get more active. We still have over here, way to the west, we've got uh, winter weather. That's not going to bother us, but we are generally going to have rain that's going to be in the forecast. It's going to be more likely in southeast Michigan in the darker green right there, and then there'll be a chance of rain in other parts of Michigan as well. And just hold on to your hats. We're not quite done yet with this. And then as we go along into our Tuesday, things are going to get very active across the Midwest. I'm not kidding you. I'm not kidding you at all. Um, let me just show you. For us in Michigan, in western Michigan, we're likely to see rain in parts of southeast Michigan, even up in the Thumb area, chances of rain, and in northern Michigan, chances of rain for you guys. And then in parts of the Midwest, there's going to be likelihood of rain as well. And then this is going to be the mess that we're going to have to kind of keep an eye on very closely. We've got this wintry mix that's in the Midwest. Um, that is going to start coming in our direction on Wednesday. I've been watching that very closely, so that's going to get very interesting as we go along. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the pages here for a moment. Okay, and as we go into time, that wintry mix and winter weather, that's going to start to push on over through the Midwest, and that's going to be headed towards our way. So there's going to be a chance of snow, and then also there's going to be this wintry mess that we're going to have to deal with. Some areas are going to be triggered with likely area of wintry precipitation. So if it's in the darker purple, look out for that. And then it's just basically going to be a mess here. Let me bring up some of the things I can tell you about. So in in the lighter purple, that means that there's a chance of a wintry mix. If it's in the darker purple, that means that it is likely to have a wintry mix. We'll let you know if there's going to be a winter weather advisory that will be in effect. In southeast Michigan, there is going to be a likely chance for rain to develop out there. We'll keep you posted on that. The same thing with the severe weather, no thunderstorms to be worried about. We'll kind of keep you posted on that. As we go into time to look at that thunderstorm forecast in a little while, probably later on during the day today. That has to be monitored closely as we go into time. Then after that, the active system is finally going to move out of here. Things across Michigan and the Great Lakes and the Midwest are finally going to calm down. Things are going to remain quiet. So we'll kind of keep an eye on that, and we'll know more about more active systems and more active weather that may develop. We'll let you know. It's not showing it right now on the weather charts right now. I'll let you know on that as we go throughout the day. I'll let you know even throughout the evening. So anything is possible. Let me look to see if there's anything else coming. Nothing yet. we're looking into March already, and I don't see anything right now. So we'll let you know about that in just a little bit. And then over here, way in the west, there's some more wintry precipitation that's going to develop, and that is on March the 3rd on Sunday at 7 a.m. That's about 144 hours away. Don't have to worry about that. Then we've got this warm front that you can see. That's going to be developing, and that's going to warm up the temperatures somewhat, but quiet weather for us. We mainly don't have to worry about any of that stuff, so that's actually a good sign. And more quiet weather as we go along, but then we've got something we're going to have to keep an eye on. We've got this warm front, we've got an upper level low disturbance that I'll be keeping a very close eye on. So please stay tuned with me throughout the day, and I will keep you posted on all of this active weather. And that also includes the chances of severe weather for our Tuesday. So stay tuned for all the active weather on Tuesday and Wednesday. Seem to be the most active days. I'll let you know if this weather slows down and brings us more sunshine, which that we have today. Stay tuned. I'll have an update on the 7-day forecast and updates on what our weather is going to look like for the next couple of days. Some active days we're going to have for active weather. Stay tuned for more. I'll have more coming up in a little bit. Stay tuned for continuing weather coverage, severe weather coverage. You'll be the first ones to know. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and like. And I'll have more videos later on today. Thank you for joining me for our morning live broadcast on the weather situation. Thank you, everybody, and have a good day.